Welcome back to MMO Trends. Today, I'll introduce you to a standout cryptocurrency exchange, Phemex. If you're looking for an exchange with competitive fees, a powerful platform, and excellent support services, let's dive into what Phemex has to offer. Founded in 2019, Phemex has quickly become one of the world's top cryptocurrency exchanges, managed by seasoned financial experts. Phemex is committed to providing users with a safe and transparent trading environment. The exchange offers a diverse range of products, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrencies, and futures contracts. Phemex stands out with its DeFi offerings and zero-commission trading, helping users optimize their trading costs. Phemex's trading platform is modern, user-friendly, and integrates numerous powerful analytical tools. It supports both web trading and mobile apps, enabling users to access markets anytime, anywhere. Account types are tailored for both beginners and professional investors. Trading fees on Phemex are highly competitive, featuring low costs and attractive incentives when using the exchange's native token. Additionally, Phemex frequently runs exciting promotions, such as deposit bonuses and loyalty programs, offering significant benefits to its users. Phemex provides 24/7 customer support with a professional team ready to address all queries via email and live chat. The platform also offers extensive educational materials, video tutorials, and online webinars to help users enhance their trading knowledge and skills. The advantages of Phemex include low and competitive trading fees, a modern and user-friendly platform, and a diverse product portfolio ranging from DeFi to futures contracts. The exchange also boasts professional 24/7 customer support. However, some countries may face difficulties accessing and using Phemex's services, and the account verification process can sometimes take longer during peak periods. In summary, Phemex is an ideal choice for those seeking a secure, low-cost, and modern cryptocurrency trading environment, especially if you're interested in futures trading or DeFi. Phemex is undoubtedly worth considering. Thank you for reading this review. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to MMO Trends to stay updated on more exciting videos. Wishing you successful trading and see you next time.